Hi there, Spas from Restore Right Auto Detailings here. Today I'm gonna talk about this Corsair 2013. We just came back from paint job, from the body shop basically. What I'm gonna say, it's this side the rear quarter and the other side the rear quarter was repaint. I already run my test panel. Here was leftover from wet sanding, and here was leftover from wet sanding. That's what I actually test so far to see how it's gonna be. So follow me, you see the reflection here, nice. Now we move a little in this area where I don't done nothing so far, but you see that there is no reflection at all. Not actually that good, but all this muddy, you can say, reflecting, it's just from the wet sand left over. I'm not sure how they buffed it, they try something or no, but this is how the carriage came. So I'm gonna explain how I gonna do. I already, as I said, I done my test panel. Just let me set up the camera here, right here. I hope it's good. Oh my god, let me see, a little back, right. Okay. So I'm using my DAS 6 Pro. It's a 15mm of throw. Don't need a big machine for this place. And this is Meguiar cutting pad. I'm also using 105 Meguiar. I'm already prime or seasoning my disc basically from the test panel I make so far. So I'm not going to season it again, but try this 3 dots. Not so small. Right, so the section will be this, what I'm going to show you. We are basically tap a little to spread the product. We're moving on two. Spread the product around just so it doesn't glaze all over. And I'm going to about 4.5. And look at the technique, look at the way I'm moving. I pick up the machine a little on the back. That's totally fine. We got this edge here, so you can't keep the disc flat all the time. Okay, let's inspect what we've done. I think it's good enough. Now next we're gonna move for 205 with the polishing disc. Sometimes after the 105 don't have to finish the paint finish himself. Sometimes it's good to be done. So your choice how you're doing it, but it's the same Meguiar's polishing disc, and we got 205. As I mentioned before, I already used the discs, so they are primed, don't have to prime again. We're gonna do the same, tap 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 a little, just to spread the product around. We move back down to 2 again. And we're going to finish with about 4 this time. Don't need much of a power to run the second time. Okay. I don't like put my toes on the floor, so let's sit them there for now for a sec. See what is going to happen. I think that's good. Let me put the camera in, I will show you. Right, okay. So, as mentioned before, here is the reflection. It was nice with test panel, and we all remember what was the condition here overall, right? And there you go. This is the corner here on the edge, but all this section was muddy before. I know some of you can say maybe it's better if I just flat it down. You always have to know what the customer needed, so you don't want to be flatted again. It's just being repainted, so the orange peel I don't have to bother. Just have to bring the shine over the car. I can have a quick tour what is waiting for me on the other side, and it's pretty much actually the other rear quarter. I don't know if you can catch on the camera, but here is the other section when they left. Here is the other section again when they left. she's nice. And yeah, a little bit here we got, there's no much of nice reflection to say, and the same as was in the other side where I actually test my panel. That was exactly the same situation. So I'll carry on with that. Have a picture in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. See you soon.